In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block someone from seeing your Snapchat story no matter what device you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, begin by opening up the Snapchat app, and you're going to land on the camera screen first. Go ahead and just tap your profile icon up in the top left corner, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now, up in the top right corner, go ahead and find the little settings gear icon and open that up and scroll down, and you're looking for a privacy and data option section, just like so. This is essentially a privacy controls option. Open that up. And you're going to see a bunch of different stuff in here. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a tab that says view my story. Select that and you're going to see two different options on here. You're going to see friends and then you're going to see custom. Go ahead and set it to custom, and then from here you're going to be able to select who exactly can see your story. So go ahead and choose everyone that you want to select, or specifically everyone that you want to block. Like for example, if I want to block this guy right here, I'd select him, hit block, and then he would not be able to view my stories anymore. Now you can come back to the screen anytime to go ahead and change it, which is super convenient. You can add more people, remove someone. In this case, let's just keep this guy on here. But that is it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.